look at this sky. And then over here, look at those clouds. And there is lightning. I mean, just intense. Just really, really, really intense. Look at that.